told you I'll be here forever. Said I'll always be your friend. Took a look, I'ma stick it out to the end.
Okay.
Now that it's raining more than ever, know that we still have each other. You can stand under my umbrella. You can stand under my umbrella. Ella, Ella, eh, 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 under my umbrella. Ella, Ella, eh, 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 under my umbrella. Ella, Ella, eh.
आएगा 900 1000 950 1000 अगर आ गया तो 1000 दे दीजिए
आराम से आ जाएगा।
You have my heart, and we'll never be worlds apart. Maybe in magazines, but you'll still be my star.
So hello everyone, welcome to my next video. This is Saurav. So this is gonna be the part 2 of the Silk Route ride, or the East Sikkim ride, whatever you prefer. But in this video I'm gonna focus on what problems I faced and what were my mistakes as a new rider. So let's start. The roads you'll be watching today are exactly from the Silk Route, which once was the Silk Route, the old Silk Route. We'll be riding from Malbazar to Rongli through Gurubatang and Algar. So these were actually the Silk Route, which was once a trade route between China and India, if you know what Silk Route is. And then back towards Gangtok, then Gangtok to Nathula Pass and back. Let's continue in the video. I'll let you know what happened later.
Said I'll always be your friend. Took a look, I'ma stick it out till the end. Now that it's raining more than ever, know that we still have each other. You can stand under my umbrella. You can stand under my umbrella. Ella, Ella, eh, 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 eh.
So let's talk about what are the problems that I faced in the ride. Number 1, permit. I saw some video online, like on YouTube, even trusted channels and like normal search appearances, but you know what, I didn't check like when was the video posted, or I didn't check precisely what is the status in this year or this month, especially when you're going alone or with a group without any travel agent or anything. You really don't know what's happening out there in that place. So if you are new to this place, new to Sikkim, and you want a comfortable journey, I really would recommend you to get a travel agent or something, at least talk to them. Always talk to a local travel agent who lives there inside Sikkim. Then the probability of getting fraud or mishandled or anything would be very less. You can't get permit without a travel agent, because Sikkim government has made this mandatory that the permit will only be given through travel agents. Earlier when I saw the videos, they show you can go and get the permit from there itself, in police stations or somewhere, wherever the permit thing is done. So in those videos I also saw that the permits are done you can get the permits from either Gangtok or Rongli for the East Sikkim area. So you can go through Zuluk, then Nathula Pass, and then directly go towards Gangtok. And when we reached Rongli, which was evening 7 to 8 p.m, we searched for an homestay. We stayed there for the night, and then at the morning we even asked if the homestay owner knows about the permits and all. He was not so sure. He told us to go to the police station, they used to do the permits there. So in morning, like in 7 a.m. only, we went to police station. Then we got to know that you can't get permit anymore from wrongly. In fact, you can't get permit your like by your own. You have to talk to a travel agent and then get your permits done. Well, after that, we also got to know that there are two slots to book the permits. One is morning 7 o'clock, and the other is around 2 o'clock afternoon. So, if you get your permits in the morning slot, like if you get the permits in morning 7 o'clock, then you can go that day itself. Or else, if you get the permit in 2 o'clock, then you have to travel next day for the East Sikkim part. So we were so confused, like what to do. It's already 7 a.m. and we are in Rongli. We are not in Gangtok, and we don't know any travel agents. So at the end, when we saw all of our doors closed and like no options left, we decided to drop the plan of like going through Zuluk and all. Gangtok was never in our plan. We were planning to go through Zuluk, then Nathula Pass, and then back, like the proper Silk Route ride. Because Silk Route was from West Bengal through Gorubatang, then Algar, then Rongli, through Zuluk to Nathula Pass, and then China. So that was the Silk Route. But we went so far, like we went till Rongli, but we can't make it any further. So, well, not wasting the time and not wasting the day, we decided to go back towards Gangtok. So well, that turned out a good decision, because I don't know if we could have made through Zuluk and came back. I don't know. I'm not sure about that, but Gangtok was not in bad idea. Not at all in bad idea.